Cool vibrations. Cool vibrations.
Station, your spot. JJS.
He brings me to insomnia.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Lynchburg Department of Emergency Services. A mysterious event is currently ongoing in northwest Lynchburg. Residents and tourists have reported a new and unusual sighting in Peaks View Park. This sighting is of a massive crystallite tree entity that has suddenly appeared as of 10 minutes ago. The tree shares general appearance traits with what we would call oak trees on Earth, except this mysterious tree seems to be made of crystal or a similar sort of material. Also of particular interest is the fact it is of extraordinary size, with this new tree entity measuring an estimated 350 feet from trunk to canopy. It also has what appears to be a placement slots for objects whose connection to this object or as a transmission, unknown. For now, people in Lynchburg are advised to keep a safe distance from this tree-like entity until more can be understood about it. Please keep tuned to local media for more information.